Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Google Map application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to log into your Google Map, firstly open your Google Map application. Enter your email or phone number and click on Next. Enter your password associated with your Google Map account. Tick mark on Show Password to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Click on Forgot Password in case you don't remember your password, then click on Next. After entering your email and password, you will be logged in to your Google Map application. This is how you can log into your Google Map quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching.